Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely fuel up a boat. Before you even begin, it is crucial to understand your boat's specific fuel type and tank capacity. Always ensure all engines and electrical systems are completely off. Close all hatches, ports, and windows to prevent any fuel fumes from entering the cabin. Finally, always have a marine-approved fire extinguisher readily accessible and know how to use it. Once prepared, securely moor your boat at the fuel dock, ensuring it is stable and won't drift. Carefully remove the fuel fill cap and insert the nozzle fully into the tank opening. Begin fueling slowly to prevent spills and allow any air to escape from the tank. It is important not to overfill. Leave approximately 10% of the tank empty to allow for fuel expansion, especially on warm days. After fueling, replace the fuel fill cap tightly to prevent any leaks or spills. Immediately wipe up any spilled fuel with absorbent pads and dispose of them properly. It is critical to ventilate your boat for at least 4 to 5 minutes to clear any lingering fumes. Before starting your engine, always check for any fuel odors to ensure the area is safe and clear. Here are some crucial tips to remember. Never smoke or allow any open flames near the fueling area, as fuel vapors are highly flammable. If possible, avoid fueling at night. If you must, use only approved, spark-proof lighting. Do not use portable fuel containers unless they are specifically marine-approved. Most importantly, always stay with your boat during the entire fueling process to monitor for any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.